Hi there and welcome to Microsoft Word tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at the Word interface and its various elements. We will learn about MS Word, which is included in MS Office 2021. We will become familiar with some of its most important features such as the ribbon, Quick Access Toolbar and Backstage view so that we can use MS Word efficiently. When we open Word for the first time, the Start screen appears. From the Start screen, we can create a new document, choose a template, or access our recently edited documents. Once we create a new document or open an existing one for editing, we get the MS Word window. This window is where you'll create and edit your documents. Let us explore the elements of MS Word interface and learn its functionality. This image displays the primary components of the MS Word interface included in MS Office 2021. This is the title bar. The title bar appears at the top of the program window and displays the name of the document. There is a button group on the right side of the title bar. There are 4 buttons in this group. Ribbon Display button is used for changing ribbons display in a drop-down menu. The Minimize button stores the application program at the bottom of the screen on the taskbar. The Maximize button fills the entire screen with the document. And the Close button closes the window. This is the Sign In option. A Microsoft account is usually required to install and activate Office versions 2013 or later. In Office 365, the Microsoft search bar appears here. This is MS Word ribbon. Word uses a tabbed ribbon system instead of traditional menus. The ribbon contains multiple tabs and each tab contains several groups of related commands. For example, the Home tab contains the most frequently used commands such as copying and pasting, formatting and alignment, sorting and filtering. The dialog box launcher is a small arrow in the bottom right corner that gives more options on clicking. We can also hide ribbon if we need more screen space. To do this, click the Ribbon Display Options arrow in the upper right corner of the ribbon. Then, select the desired option from the drop-down menu. The options are Auto Hide Ribbon, Show Tabs, Show Tabs and Commands. Above the ribbon is the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is a customizable toolbar which provides one-click access to commonly used commands and options. It can be located in one of the 2 places: upper left corner above the ribbon, which is the default location, or upper left corner below the ribbon. If you don't want the Quick Access Toolbar to be displayed in its current location, you can move it to the other location. To move the Quick Access Toolbar, click the Customize Quick Access Toolbar button image. It is located on the right end of the Quick Access Toolbar. At the bottom of the list, choose either Show Below the Ribbon or Show Above the Ribbon as appropriate. To add your most used commands to the Quick Access Toolbar, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Quick Access Toolbar. The Customize Quick Access Toolbar option panel will appear. click on the desired command option to be placed on the Quick Access toolbar. Below the ribbon is the ruler. The ruler makes it easier to adjust the document with precision. We can hide the ruler to create more screen space. To show or hide the ruler, click the View tab. Then, click the checkbox next to the ruler to show or hide the ruler. This is the document window. The document window appears below the ribbon. We create a document in Document window. If more than one document is open, each document has its own window. This is the insertion point. Insertion point is a blinking vertical line that indicates where the text or content you type will be inserted. The status bar appears at the bottom of the program window and displays information about the document like number of pages, number of words, etc. The tools on the right side of the status bar can be used to display the document in a variety of views and to change the zoom level. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.